The Homeschool Planet Look-up Widget is an easy way to give students access to information they may need when working on assignments, or for the teacher-parent to use to look things up themselves. To add the Look-up Widget to your bar, you can choose Add a Widget either from the right side of your planner or from below. So I'm going to select Add a Widget, and then I'm going to go to the Choose a Widget menu bar, and I'm going to choose Lookup. Next, you can decide what you would like to search. You can use the Bible lookup to seek a Bible verse, the dictionary thesaurus to pull up a word, movies to search for movies by topic or by author, or actor is what I should say, or actress, or Wikipedia for a Wikipedia search, Google, or Bing. I'm going to use Wikipedia today, so I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to search the general term, King George. Once I enter that, I'm going to choose the search button. Then, because I wasn't specific, I can scroll through and see, am I looking for George the 3rd, the 6th, the 5th, King George in general, and it will give me several options, the 4th, etc. You can locate the one you like. If you just need basic facts, you can pull them from here. Which king was this and when was he king? Or you can select the tab, the link, which will open a new browser tab to open you up right into the Wikipedia entry. This works just the same. If I decide, yeah, I don't really want a Wikipedia after all, I'd like to see the entire Google search. Then once I hit close and search, it will open a tab with the normal Google results. All the lookup tools work the same way. If you need any help, please reach out to us and we'll be happy to offer what we can. Have a terrific day, and thanks for being a Homeschool Planet subscriber.